Hello friends, this is Saurabh Sharma from MSME Tool Room Kolkata, Central Tool Room and Training Center. Welcome to our YouTube channel MSME Tool Room Kolkata. You can subscribe and share with friends for latest update videos and click the bell icon. So here you can see the operation in vertical milling machine with the help of 10mm dia slot drill cutter. The operation name is blind slot and open slot. The blind slot is dimensioned by 7 into 4 into 25, 7 into 8 into 25 with a 0.01 tolerance, and we are using the mild steel as a job and as a cutter the HSS slot drill cutter. And you can see the drawing or the design of this operation. And we are using the coolant with 20:1 ratio, so stay tuned with us friend for latest videos. Thank you so much.